Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, La Vida with Kim. And today guys, I have a handbag unboxing guys, and I'm so excited about this one because yes, I am getting this bag like kind of late because it came out like at the beginning of the month, I think. I don't remember, but it was from like that huge like Coach and like Coach outlet drop they did. Like, oh my god, it was just, I was bombarded by bags guys, and I saw this one I really liked, and I was like, okay, I saw it, like I woke up in the middle of the night, right? And I saw it, or whenever the hell they dropped it, and I saw it and I was like, okay, it's cute, but when I fully wake up, I'll buy it, you know? I honestly did not think nobody was gonna buy it because they had the large size and then they had the small size, and I was like, everybody likes small bags, so everybody's gonna go for the little one. I'll be fine, you know, get the big one. Guys, by the time I looked, it was like sold out. I was like, what the heck? And then Coach decided to put up the price as well. It's like $50 more. I was like, please, you know? I was like, okay, whatever. And then so I couldn't even get it because it was sold out. So by the time they brought it back, I was just, the whole time I was like, should I get it, should I not? Don't come for me guys, I did end up paying the newer price. I know I'm mad at myself too that I didn't get it from the beginning. So yeah, just being straight out with you guys, I did pay the newer price. And then I was seeing a lot of people having issues with it guys. If you don't know by now, it is the Etta, the soft one. That one looks so beautiful guys. Before it dropped, I was like, that bag is calling my name. It was, I love it. And so yeah, like I was saying, a lot of people have been having issues. I saw Ivana's video where she said she got the smaller one and she had like some little, like, I guess you can say like little bald spots on the bag, and then she was having issues returning it. And then I saw Taylor having issues with hers. She got both of them and they were both bad. It was just a mess guys. So I've seen other people as well, but I was just like, oh my gosh, like I really want this bag. And I was like, okay, whatever, I bought it. Hopefully everything goes well. I got it guys. I'm gonna unbox it. It's just a gorgeous bag guys, but like I said, I haven't seen it in person, so I don't know. What if I don't even like it, you know? I don't know. But if I do love it, I hope it comes out good guys. I really do hope. So yeah, let's unbox. So like I said, I got the Coach Etta one, the big one, the flap, you know, whatever the specific name is. Hold on. You guys know I'm not good with names, labels, like I'm not good at that stuff. So okay, here it is. I want to give you guys the correct name. So it is the Etta flap bag in signature chenille. Ooh, fancy. I hope I said that right. So anyways, it was $2.99 this time. I know. It was originally $2.50. Damn, I should have grabbed it from the beginning. I really did not think it was gonna sell out guys. Sorry, I'm like looking at the website, so it's still sold out as of now, but it does say notify me, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna bring it back. She's gorgeous. Okay guys, so I have it right here. I did get it from the Coach outlet website. It's always like a little big deal for me to go to the outlet because it's like 30 minutes away from me, and if you know me, I hate driving, so I'll look for any reason not to have to drive, you know? So I'm like paranoid. I don't know, I hate driving. I freaking hate it. Anyways, okay guys, let me open it up. I have my handy dandy crafty knife. But yeah, like I was saying, this bag was just like calling my name. I first saw it before it dropped. I did not think it was gonna be as popular as it is. But just like all those issues people have been having, I don't know, I'm scared. And you guys know I always get the bad ones, right? So I'm just cursed. I don't know. Okay, open it up. Let's open her up. The little airbags, my kids always take those. Here she is. Let's take her out. Okay, we are off to a good start. You guys know I have learned, you know, because I'm newer to Coach, I have learned I have a better chance of getting a good bag if it comes all wrapped up like this. So this is a good sign guys. Okay guys, don't mind the little doggy. Let's open her up. Oh my god. Let's take her out of the bag. Okay, the big reveal. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, she is a bit bigger than I thought. She feels so nice. She feels so nice. Let me check her because I saw Taylor had said she had some flying strings. Ivana had said she had some like little bald spots. Guys, I'm really hoping to get a good one because... Okay guys, so far so good. I think from what I can see, I like to get a good look before I start like taking everything off, you know, just in case, because if anything's wrong, I'm like, here you go, a return. My husband gets so mad when I do returns. He's like, why are you returning it? But oh my god. Okay, I think everything looks good. Oh my gosh, guys, one of the main reasons this bag was calling my name is because the slouchiness. You can't see it now because she's all stuffed, but guys, the slouchiness that this bag had, I want to see it. I want to see it. So everything looks good so far. So this is like a little push-up, right? I saw. Ooh, it's gonna be a little struggle for me because my nails, but cute. Okay, oh, the inside is so soft. Take this one off first. Let me check this inside. Everything's looking so good so far. Yeah, everything's looking good, guys. I'm so happy. Finally I get a good one, you know. Okay, let me take this out. Let me take all this stuffing out. I'll skip this so I don't bore you to death. I try to be careful with the wrapping in case I have to return. I can stuff her back how she was, you know. Who else does that? God, look at the interior. She is huge and I can already feel the slouchiness, guys. Let's just close it to take a look. Easy close. Oh my gosh, look, she just falls on my hand. I love it. I love it. Oh my god. Like I said, she is bigger than I thought, but that's okay. I still love her. Look at that. So just push it, it opens up. Look at the inside again. It has that little tag in there, a zipper pocket. Oh, this is a different interior in here for the pocket. It's not soft. I'll probably do like an up close look for you guys if I do keep it, if everything seems good. Okay. So it is a removable strap, I believe. But I mean, like, there's not much I can do anyways because it is like the little like belt style one. So let me see. What is this? Is this like where you put like a, like I can put like a charm here? Or my keys or something, right? I don't even know what this is for. The tag, it says Coach. Nothing on the back. She has that back pocket. The interior of this pocket is like the same as the other pocket inside. It's not soft, it's just like regular fabric, I guess you can say. Okay, let me take this off the strap and let me put it on this side. It does have that gold brassy hardware. I'm gonna put it on the lowest one, or longest, I guess you can say. So here she is. Oh my gosh, guys, look. I'm just putting her on my hand. Look at that slouchiness. I think she is perfect. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Oh my god. I wish it wasn't like a little buckle one, like it was just like a regular hook on so I could switch straps, but that's fine, guys. She's so gorgeous. Oh my god, I love me some logos, you know what I mean? I love me some logos. And she's soft. She feels like a carpet. I hope she does do good. I don't want her to get like chipped off some of that little furriness she has. I don't know, guys. I don't know. So far so good. She does look gorgeous. I really wanted the bigger size. I really did. Guys, look at that. She just like falls like, wait. I love that. I love it. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. I'm so happy I went for her. She gives me like those old school vibes. The slouchiness, the color, the brown. If you guys have noticed, I really like brown neutral colors in bags. I don't go for like very like colorful bags. So this is perfect for me. I love her. She is so cute. Oh my god, guys, Oh my god, I'm definitely doing like an up close look so you guys can look at the bag, see what fits, guys. I mean, what is not gonna fit in this bag? She is huge, she is gorgeous. I love her. I'm so happy. I'm gonna take a closer look after I'm done doing this video, but everything looks good so far, so yes. Oh my gosh, guys, did you get an Etta bag? Are you thinking about getting one? I think the small one is in stock right now. They also have like the other one, I don't know what it's called, but it looks like a Laurel bag. And then they have this one that I know is gonna come back in stock. It is like a bit more than it was originally when it first dropped, but guys, she's cute. She is cute. I love her. Oh, how do we look together? I always look at my bags, I'm like, how do we look together? But guys, oh my gosh, she is so cute. Just the slouchiness, guys. Oh my gosh, I don't know what this is. I'm guessing this is like for your keys or a charm, right? Let's see. You know, I have to put like my cherry charm on there. Like that? No, that looks weird. It like hangs way too far. I don't know. What is this for, guys? Tell me. Let me put it here. There we go. Cute. With the blingy cherries that I bedazzle myself. So yeah, guys, oh my gosh, I love her. She's so cute. Guys, let me know what you think. Did you grab one? Are you thinking about getting one? This hair is getting on my nerves. Yeah, let me know. Like I said, don't come for me just because of the price, guys. Okay, I get it. I know I'm not happy about it either, but I just couldn't help myself, guys. So I'm not disappointed. I'm not. I don't care if it's a Coach outlet bag. She's so gorgeous, guys. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. Leave me a lovely comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.